Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to BONK update today. So we're looking at BONK and BONK still has the threat to go down. It's pretty clear we're still actually on the verge of going down. I've talked about the long-term vision. I've talked about even if you look at the drop happening, do not destroy your long-term vision. That's very, very important. I don't know if you're going to think that I'm trying to butter you up that long term is amazing, or is the shortcut, or I'm just trying to get through a shortcut by saying that long term is actually good, but it is good. Just imagine that 1 year from now, 12 months, the next 12 months are the most important months in crypto, personally. Because I'm gonna be fed up if in 12 months we do not get an amazing bull run. I'm actually gonna be really pissed off. Right now, everything is going according to the set of rules that crypto has set. But in 12 months, a lot of people are going to retire. I have a feeling, and I have a very strong belief that a lot of people are about to retire, especially those who know what they're doing and they did it right. They hold their coins, they have amazing portfolios, they actually bought amazing coins for the long term. They're not bothered about short-term losses and drops and this and that, okay? Because when you sell is when you actually lose. So maybe BONK could actually be one of those coins that does make you pretty rich, maybe not retire, but just good enough for you to take holiday for 2 to 3 years, that would still be a nice good deal. Take 2 to 3 years off, quit your job and enjoy some time off. That would be amazing. Now in the meanwhile, let's get back into the technicals. I'm just getting very excited here, and I'm going to have to control myself. So yesterday we did see a small little bit of bullish candles that actually appeared, and we saw the next day actually making a green candle. Now I actually thought this is pretty good, but then again, the weekly is bad. Have I talked about the weekly? Actually, no. So the weekly is bad because you have the green candle that is of this size, and then you have the red candle that is bigger than the green candle, which is actually a problem. So when you have a red candle which is bigger than the green candle, it is going to be a problem. It means that the sellers have taken the position at the moment. They're actually more stronger than the buyers. So this week, according to this previous two candles, is actually showing that you're going to go down and eventually take this wick off as well. And why not? Because you might just drop even down this week alone. But I'm actually giving this market the next 14 days for BONK to actually come down to 943, unless you don't make it up to 2398. Again, that's the invalidation, but right now this is in play. So I'm just going to keep it simple as that. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.